I did it for him before I leave, y'all. Just want to cook me some gumbo. That gumbo. I got shrimp, crab, whole crabs, half a crabs, crab legs, gizzard, maybe a sausage, the best sausage, baby. Y'all know Mississippi don't play.
Where the hog at? Where is the hog? Cause you're slopping somebody, pig. That's some slop in a pot. That's slop in the pot right there. What is that? Where the water? Where the juice at? Where the gravy? Where the water at in there? Gumbo. Then you got corn in there. Then you got goddamn a mess. A mess. What is that? Throw that away. That all that's good for is to slop a hog. That's all that's good for. That's to slop a hog. Cause that's what they look like, slop in the bucket. Slop in the bucket. I don't know where you're from, baby, but that ain't no gumbo. Don't you even fix your mouth to say gumbo. That's slop bo. That's some slop bo.